guys, welcome to a new video. Today I will be showing you how to do electrolysis at home with just the following equipment. You need salt, warm water, 2 pencils, a sharpener, a 9-volt battery and some hard type of paper, like cardboard. First, get your 2 pencils and your sharpener. Sharpen both sides of each pencil as shown. Next, get out your hard type of paper. Punch 2 holes into the middle of the paper so that they can hold the pencils. Once you have done this, pour out about a tablespoon of salt, but do not worry too much about the amount as this can be changed later. Add the salt measured into the glass of warm water. Stir the solution thoroughly. Place the paper over the glass with the 2 holes in the middle of the glass. Put the 2 pencils through the holes into the water and connect the dry ends of the pencils to the battery. Then watch the result of the experiment with bubbles coming off the wet graphite. The 2 gases produced in the bubbles are hydrogen at the negative electrode and chlorine at the positive electrode. This is my first video, so thank you to all of you who have watched it. It would mean the world if you could like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.